So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as said, I'll share with you how to find the hidden text behind most of the passwords we type in some websites. This video is actually intended to help people with keyboards that do not have light indication on their caps lock, because sometimes it's really annoying as to type in a password on a website, and it happens whatever you're typing is a wrong password, probably because your caps lock is toggled on and you can't tell because there's no light indication on your caps lock to let you know whether you're typing in uppercase or lowercase. So jumping straight into today's video, I've opened a couple of websites where I'm going to share with you how to work out on these things. So we have about 4 websites here. That's Facebook, Gmail, Pinterest, and also National Service page login, which doesn't belong to me actually. So with the Facebook account here, what we'll do is if you look right here, Facebook actually has the eye toggle icon where you can turn on and off to know exactly what password you're probably typing in there. So like this one, it says like and share. If you toggle on the eye icon, it goes back to the default. So you get to know exactly what you're probably typing. If it's in lowercase and there's a mistake, you know where to correct it. And if you check from Gmail to Gmail has a different version where they don't use the eye toggle icon. They use the show password tick box. So you take the box to know exactly what you're probably typing in the website. And the third website is Pinterest. Good. So now this is where the problem comes in, especially for those whose keyboard do not have the light indication to tell whether they are probably typing uppercase or lowercase. So with this one, for instance, you'd realize that if you want to know whether you're probably typing upper or lowercase, you have to go back, open a Word document, try and type to get the knowledge that you're probably typing lowercase or uppercase before you come in here to come and type your password. But if you want to toggle on the on and off eye icon, or probably know exactly what you're typing in this kind of websites, what you do is first right click on this, then go to inspect. If you want to use a shortcut, that's what's over there, the letter kill. So you click through this, it opens an HTML text for you for this particular website. So you realize when it's done, the input side, if you hover your mouse keyboard, so your mouse on the HTML text over here, you realize it highlights each and every section on this particular website. You can make some changes to this if you really understand HTML like quite better, but just for today's video, if you want to see exactly what is over there, the dots or the letters behind those dots, some websites use asterisks though. So you come to the part that says input, so ID, that is password, and you realize on the website it's highlighted just that section that has the dots and dots over there. So if you understand HTML quite better, you can read through all this. Autocomplete new password. Autocomplete basically standing for you saving your password in that particular browser or something. So anytime you just pop up in there and you click the password, it automatically gives you your password to the website, and you just quickly log in without you having to type it. But with you typing your password each and every day, that's the best for you. So the part that says password, type password. Where you have the type password equal to, click through the password itself and put the text. Now with the text over here, this is going to toggle the hidden buttons, that is the dots and dots, into visible text for you to know exactly what you're typing on this particular website. So if you click through enter, it reveals exactly what is hidden behind those dots and dots on the website. And with this, you get to know, okay, fine, you can equally add anything you just want to put in there, which you get to see everything visibly. And if there's a mistake, you get to correct it yourself rather than going back to know whether or not you're probably typing in upper or lowercase. And just to let you know that it doesn't work for just Pinterest. For instance, the National Service login page, I also noticed there's that kind of challenge on that page. Yeah, I had to change the password of this person's account. So what we'll do is with this again, you click through, you go to the same inspect. You go to the inspect, you see automatically brings you to the input side of it. So with this, where you have the input, again look for where it says type password, which is up here. So type password, you click through that and you put in text. Press enter, and that's what you see there. That's actually not the password to this person's account though. So that's the exact hidden text behind the password section. So we have come to the end of today's video, and once again and as always, thank you so much for watching, and kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also like this content, share with people, and yeah, give us a thumbs up and comment in this comment section to let us know exactly what you probably want to learn or anything you probably want to know, and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified each and every time I upload a new content on this platform. And once again and as always, thank you so much for watching.